Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest snack. It's going to be ready before you know it. If you have a party or you need something real quick, I've got you covered. All you need is 2 sheets of puff pastry. Simply roll and make it as even as possible. Spread a thin layer of honey mustard dressing. And I have a great recipe on my YouTube channel, Dainty Bite. I'll leave the link in the description box below. You're gonna add about 4 to 5 teaspoons. Spread evenly as well. Add some pepper jack cheese or any good melting cheese. And as always, look in the description box for all the amounts and all the ingredients. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube yet, please do so and hit the notification bell. You'll be informed every time I upload a video. I'm gonna add 6 slices of mortadella, spread just like so. All you have to do now is roll the whole thing. This pastry is savory, crunchy, cheesy, kid-friendly. Everyone is gonna love it. It's gonna disappear so fast. I'm gonna slice into 2 inches. You can make it as thin or as thick as you want. I'm gonna do 2 inches and set it just like so. And give it a quick egg wash and lots of untoasted sesame seeds. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or 20 minutes depending on the oven. They're gonna be perfect, crispy, puffy, and ready to go. Here's 1 puff pastry sheet ready. Let me show you what to do with the other one. And you can customize the puff pastry the way you like. I'm just giving you ideas. The second one, you're gonna spread a thin layer of ketchup or pizza sauce. And there isn't an exact amount. You're gonna add a handful of oil marinated tomatoes or sun-dried tomatoes, whichever you have. Add some parmesan cheese, some pepperoncini. This is more of the adult version of this puff pastry. You're gonna add some rolled salami and mozzarella. You can find these wrapped the way they are, or you can make them yourself. This is how I'm gonna roll them. And give the whole thing an egg wash, sesame slice, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. These might be easy to make, but they're such heavenly bites. You are gonna love them, and your whole family will. I hope you give them a try soon, and until next time, bon appetit!